Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Hellcase. You can get from about big tempers and the both excellent sensory levels. You can put wonderful by tapping with body of places called transcription parts. As you know, we have a payment called its maturity events, when it was gone from each end of the fraudulent cases and by completed given claims. It's manual for your balance, you can get the balance. Let's claim this balance. If and only 10 of them these violent cases and we can win the wins. It's the event value each token is the increases your probability of getting a scheme, the amount of deal last medium is between 9 and 5. See table on the right 4 pages numbers. And this is actually good. And the wall spheres, the mouth is a place where each given participant can deposit and against the more tokens and the participant is contributed higher in ratings he is at the more real the price he can get. I can actually with price. Let's deposit. And there's generated here's he can generate your space by the bells. Let's generate. Nice. And the everyone store here the taxation because the you will try the exclusive cases and even store you can buy balance or cases or if you are being prepared you can get you can buy prepared cases whatever you want guys. Okay, let's go to case battle. Okay, let's join this battle. Come on. First time. Nice. Thank you for 7 Okay, let's roll. Okay, the build and last one come back. Nice safety nets. Yeah, we win this battle, guys. Okay. Okay, let's play the battle. We can play balls, 4 players. So, it is. Yes. Okay, 4 players, that board. Let's go. Come on. Who's round? Okay, come on. Okay, but it's no problem. There's a late space. How much is that? Okay. Place. Wheels. The Romano. Okay. Wing shot. Okay. Eight of zebra. Oh, how much is that? Point sorry, nice. Wheel and last. Come on. No. Nice, guys. Nice. Let's put in spittle. Real. Okay. Let's bring one more little. We can choose. But what to be in case you can play with bots, 4 player game. Let's go. Come on. That's the first one. Okay, nice meals. Oh, play. Nice maybe. Got 8.3 with actually. Okay, into Ray. Oh my god. We need it by Crewman. Okay. How much is that? Oh my god. Nano War. Oh, and the last one. Yeah, we lost a little bit of problem. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in next videos.